Okay, so let's go straight to my screen here. This video is all about a TikTok ad that I received for a website. It eventually goes to a website called Evizos.shop. That's Evizos.shop. And here's what the ad looks like. I'm going to hit play here. I've muted the sound because I don't have the license for the music. So hit play here. It says new model Samsung 2022 65-inch. So really nice TVs here, right? And they're gonna give you amazing deals according to what the ad said. And it says the last day sale down here for just $65.59. $65.59 for a really nice TV would be an amazing deal, right? The thing is, this is a scam. And what happens is you click on this and it goes to a website that looks like Walmart. It has the Walmart logo, and some people might think that they're on walmart.com, but in reality, they are on evizos.shop, Evizos.shop. And I clicked the link in the ad earlier whenever I saw it. You know, it's a sponsored post. It says sponsored at the bottom. And I got some screenshots of what it looks like, and I'm going to show those right now. And as you can see in the screenshots, it looks like the Walmart website, right? And it shows some amazing deals for TVs. Here's the thing. If you try to reload this link later, it's going to say something about how, you know, it's a 404 error and the page isn't there. They seem to be trying to hide this from the prying eyes of people like me and others who are trying to expose scams. They're hiding it unless you have clicked it directly from a TikTok ad. You can't reload the page. Now, I've seen this before with other scams for other products, but the thing is, I was able to capture these screenshots you can see here, and really they were unsuccessful in concealing all this. But looking back here at the TikTok ad, you can see it says, if I scroll down, it's from Factory Sale. That's the name of the supposed account, and it was posted 18 hours ago, and right now it's December 26, 2022. So they posted it right around, you know, the night of Christmas. And if you click on the profile here for Factory Sale, let's see what happens. Try to go to the profile. I went to this earlier. Here we go. So it just says sponsored content, doesn't show any videos, and it's user number 626-941-907. So TikTok management, admins, if you're seeing this video, maybe you want to do something about this. And it's a sponsored content account, basically is what it is. And now if we take a look at some of those screenshots that I mentioned, let me go to some of those here. Like this one here shows a guy loading up a big TV in a Walmart cart. And I guarantee you that the scammers did not take this photo. They just got it from somewhere else. Maybe it's from Getty Images, something like that. And if we scroll down a little bit, and down at the bottom of this screenshot that I took, there are some Samsung Crystal UHD TVs. Again, you're not going to get anything from this website that is advertised. It's a scam. They're pretending to be Walmart, and then they're hiding this webpage from anyone trying to access it later on, which is pretty scammy, right? And I scrolled down this page earlier whenever I saw this, and it said, you know, it had a FAQ. It said, question, why is TV so cheap? Which is not correct English. Is this real? Which, if you have to have that on a Walmart page, that's a little bit of a red flag, isn't it? Do you know the hottest Temu right now? Temu is our parent company, and it is officially cooperating with Walmart. And notice that they spelled Walmart with a capital M, which is not how you spell Walmart. That's not how you spell Walmart. In order to promote our brand, the limited time activities are real and effective. Again, that's not proper English. That seems like a bad translation, right? If you are dissatisfied after the purchase, you can refund at any time. And that also is not really correct English, and there's no period at the end of the sentence, which Walmart would not have on their website. It's not professional. I don't know what Temu is, but this is a scam website. And I also took a screenshot of the About Us page. You can see here it says, About Us, our mission, we make high quality technology and content affordable to everyone. How, though? This is a scam. I mean, it's not real. Our vision, we impact lives with powerfully immersive products that bring people together and enhance the home. It's a very generic thing that could apply to almost any company online. Our passion, we create amazing experiences for all. This is very generic. This might be like a mission statement about us template that they got from somewhere else. I mean, it's very general. And so really that's all the content I have from this website. Like I said, if you try to load Evizos, Evizos.shop, you're not going to find anything. I saw a 404 error. In fact, I can show you right now. So as you can see here, 404 page not found. Sorry, we couldn't find the page you were looking for. Continue shopping. I'll click on this. I have not tried to do this to see what would happen if you click continue shopping. I clicked the button a few times. It appears to not do anything. It doesn't even reload the page. It's kind of a blank button. Now there is one more interesting thing we can do. We can take the domain name evizos.shop, put it in here into GoDaddy's Who Is search. And what we can find when it loads up, it goes to Name Silo. And this website, apparently, according to this, was registered 4 days ago on December 22nd, 2022. And, it's private. We don't know who registered it. That's very common for domains to be private. But this shows us this website is 4 days old. And if we go to the Wayback Machine and we type in the website, it's never been archived. So this is a brand new website, never existed before that registration, likely. And it's a scam. Like I said, you're not going to be able to get these amazing Ultra HD, Samsung, whatever brand, anything like that for under, $70, $65, whatever it was. That's not going to happen. And like I said, even on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, I doubt you'll find a deal like that. You might find a deal from a brand that isn't, of great value on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, but you're not going to find, a really, really amazing deal like this, especially, after Christmas, right before Christmas. It's not going to happen. Which, by the way, TikTok, many of you might know, you might have come to my video from TikTok, that TikTok has lots of ads for lots of amazing looking things. The problem is a lot of those ads, it seems like, go to scams, and TikTok allows it. This is not very, different from what Meta does on Facebook, Instagram. They allow tons of scams to run as paid ads. They allow WhatsApp to become, I think, one of the most popular platforms for scammers to use in order to scam people. There's so much scamming going on out there, and the companies that run these platforms are not only allowing the scams to happen, they're allowing scams to run in paid advertising, which is really kind of crazy. But I guess that they're going to keep doing it because it brings in some money. They might claim it doesn't bring in a lot of money, but still it brings in some money, and they're taking that money no matter how much it is. And I don't know why they're not doing more to stop it, but maybe it's because they want to have that revenue keep coming in. They don't have to spend more money on more employees and more staff and more strategy in order to take down the scams. And they just want to keep things as they are, I guess. I don't really know. You would think that there would be a more rigorous approvals process to become a paid advertiser on a social media platform, but there isn't, because you go on Meta and I see on Facebook and Instagram brand new pages, just like this TikTok account is probably brand new as well, and they're advertising, and they're allowed to advertise right off the bat because they put in a credit card number, and TikTok says they're going to pay us, let's let them advertise. And that's the way it is on Meta. I don't know about Twitter, but Meta and TikTok, big issues right now with paid ads and scams, and they're going to let it keep happening until it becomes a bigger issue. And so that's just about it. I hope my video helped. I hope that if you were shopping on a website like this, a fake Walmart website like Evizos.shop, that I caught you right before you were going to put in your personal information, your financial data, credit card number, something like that, and give away something you don't want to be giving to scammers. Because if I can save a few people by sitting here under the lights with the camera, the microphone, then all this will have been worth it, obviously. And so if you did order something from this website or another website just like it, a fake Walmart website or a fake website, a scam website, no matter what it is, my recommendation is to do this. Whatever payment method you used, if you used a debit card for a bank or a credit card for a credit card company, or a payment method like PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, anything like that, whichever of those you used, contact them and ask them what steps you need to take to secure your accounts. So if you use PayPal, I recommend contacting PayPal through an official phone number, an official live chat, email, whatever it is that you find through their website. Don't find it on a scammer's website and accidentally call scammers and get scammed a second time, because that does happen. Contact an official bank, credit card company, or payment method company and ask them what you need to do, and they should be able to advise you. And if it's a credit card, you might need to cancel, close the credit card and get a new one, or at least freeze it, have them reverse the charge, whatever. My recommendation, do it quickly. Maybe you can get the charge reversed. If you went through PayPal, something like that, I don't know if you're gonna be able to get it reversed though. And so I hope this video helped. I'm spending my own free time to make videos like these. I saw this ad here on, the day after Christmas when I was just spending time with family. And, like I said, I'm sitting here under the lights, and if I can help a few people, then all this will have been worth it. So please click the like button, the thumbs up button, and subscribe. One of the reasons I do this is because scams hurt people. Scams can take money from people, and not everyone has money to spare. One of the things that I always say is that if someone loses, let's say $300 in a scam, people who are more, financially well off are going to kick themselves. They can't believe they got scammed, but they're going to be okay. They're going to be able to sleep at night. They're not going to worry a whole lot about it for weeks. But other people, $300 is a lot of money, right? To some people who maybe don't have a lot of income. And so I hope that I can help you with my channel, and I hope that I can save some people from being scammed by Evizos.shop or any other fake Walmart website scam or anything else like that. Because here's the reason why I'm making these extra videos, this extra content on top of what I already do during the day elsewhere, is because there are so many scams out there, and there are new scams every single day. They're all over the place. There are so many scams. It's really insane. And there are some people who are doing what they can to try to stop them. There are some people doing what they can to try to report on them, but there's not a lot of people. There's so much more content online, so much more news, and scams are kind of underreported, and there are too many of them to cover. But I hope I can do a little bit more here with my channel. On top of scams, also check out my creative projects on my channel. They're much more interesting than these scam videos. These scam videos are, kind of interesting, but not really. I'm mainly here to help people. It's kind of an educational thing. So if you want to see something way more interesting, maybe a New York history documentary, maybe an exploration of an abandoned place, go to my channel and click the link in the pinned comment down below to go there. And you can see videos of me exploring like an abandoned neighborhood in the woods in Tennessee in Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Or you can watch a documentary called New York Now and Then that compares photos from the 1870s and 1880s to present day. Same tripod height, angle, and everything as the photographer George Bradford Bernard had back in the 1870s and 1880s, the ones that I shot. 140 years of difference. Really interesting project to see New York, then and now. So go and check that out on my channel. Feel free to leave a comment below, have discussions, ask questions, tell me your story. If you ordered something from this website, did you get your money back? What happened? Did you get something in the mail, from this website that basically they delivered something, but of course it wasn't an amazing giant TV like they said. Let me know what happened. Leave a comment down below, have discussions, ask questions, and thank you so much for watching.